Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the greater Worcester area, issued at 10:19 a.m., Monday, February 15th. This afternoon, partly sunny early, then becoming cloudy. A chance of snow. Not as cold with highs in the mid-20s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 50%. Tonight, snow. Freezing rain with a chance of sleet until midnight. Then rain and freezing rain after midnight. Areas of fog, snow and sleet accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Ice accumulation of up to 1/10 of an inch. Not as cool with lows in the lower 20s. Temperature rising into the upper 30s after midnight. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tuesday, rain with freezing rain likely in the morning, then rain in the afternoon. Areas of fog, ice accumulation around a trace. Not as cool with highs in the mid-50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour, increasing to 45 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tuesday night, rain showers likely. Not as cool with lows in the lower 30s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour, becoming west 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows around 15. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. West winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow showers. A chance of rain showers after midnight. Not as cool. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain showers. A chance of snow showers and freezing rain in the morning. Not as cool with highs in the upper 40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
The current time is 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Winter weather advisory in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a winter weather advisory, which is in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations include eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Hazard types include snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of up to 1 inch, along with a trace to a few hundredths of an inch of ice accretion. Timing: snow will overspread the region between 4 and 8 p.m. this evening. The snow will then transition to a period of sleet and freezing rain by late evening, then finally to all rain shortly after midnight. Impacts: cold road surfaces will quickly become slippery this evening as snow, and in a period of sleet and freezing rain overspread the region. Road conditions should improve after midnight as temperatures rise above freezing. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and flash ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. Winter weather advisory now in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations include northern Connecticut, as well as southern and central portions of Massachusetts. Hazard types include snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches, and up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accretion. Timing: snow will overspread the region between 4 and 8 p.m. this evening. The snow will then transition to a period of sleet and freezing rain by late evening. Freezing rain will gradually change to rain untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. Winter weather advisory now in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations include northern and western portions of Massachusetts. Hazard types include snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 2 to 3 inches, along with up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accretion. Timing: snow will overspread the region between 4 and 8 p.m. this evening. The snow will then transition to a period of sleet and freezing rain by late evening. Freezing rain will gradually change to rain toward daybreak Tuesday, but isolated pockets of freezing rain may persist into mid-morning Tuesday. The highest risk for that in the Connecticut River Valley. Impacts: cold road surfaces will quickly become slippery this evening as snow and in a period of sleet and freezing rain overspread the region. Temperatures will rise above freezing toward daybreak in most locations, but a few areas may remain below freezing into mid-morning Tuesday. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and shore ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, gusts up to 50 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued high wind watch, which is in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening. Location: much of eastern Massachusetts, including Cape Cod and the islands. Southern Rhode Island is also included in the watch. Winds south 20 to 30 miles per hour with the potential for a brief period of 50 to 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Timing: the strongest of the winds are expected to occur late Tuesday afternoon and evening. Impacts: there is the potential for a brief period of damaging wind gusts. If these strong wind gusts do materialize, the potential exists for some downed trees and power lines. A high wind watch means the potential exists for strong damaging winds to develop in the mentioned areas. These strong winds are capable of downing trees and power lines as well as causing property damage. If a high wind warning is issued, stay inside and away from windows. The Worcester climate summary for yesterday, February 14, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature of 7 degrees occurred at 4:33 p.m. Yesterday's low temperature of -16 occurred at 7 a.m. The mean temperature was -4 degrees and was 31 degrees below the normal of 27. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 2.03 inches. This is 0.45 inches above the normal amount of 1.58 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 4.15 inches, which is 0.92 inches below normal. There were 69 heating degree days yesterday, which is 31 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 560, which is 10 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 3,599, which is 724 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 0, which is normal. The normal high temperature for today is 35 degrees, and the normal low is 19. The record high for today is 61, which occurred in 1954, and the record low is -19, which occurred in 1943. Sunrise today is at 6:44 a.m. and sunset is at 5:19 p.m.